Hello, this is part 2 of Kaggle competition, and in this video I will discuss the two solution. I told you in my previous video that there could be three solution for this Kaggle competition, and I will discuss only two here. Solution first, I told you that in some way if we able to make a machine learning model which predict the date time, then we are able to calculate the trip duration. But if you see any machine learning model in the market, they do regression problem like predicting the continuous variable or classification problem or clustering. But I don't think any machine learning algorithm which predict the date time. So I will try solution 2. In solution 2, what I said that if I make a function like I make the function earth dist. This is a function which calculate the distance between the two location, and after getting distance, what we do, we divide by average speed of taxi and we get the taxi duration. This formula take like pick up longitude, pick up latitude, drop off longitude and drop off latitude as the argument, and we get the distance. I am using here mutate function. Mutate function is a function which is available in the tidyverse, and I am creating a new variable and apply the function, and it calculate the distance for all the rows. You don't need to write loop because R is a vectorized programming language. Now let's see how you can create we can take a average speed of taxi. I opened this website, and in this website, according to the newer government, in 2013, if you observed here, average taxi speed was 8.5 miles per hour, and by 2018 it had gone to 7 miles per hour. So like that, you can search the data in the internet for your Kaggle competition. I have to calculate the miles into kilometer because the function I make in the previous slide, it calculate the distance in kilometer. So that's why you have to convert mile into kilometer. So 8.5 miles per hour and 7 miles per hour. So what I can take, I take a average of this. So what is the average of 8.5 and 5 miles? It's around like 7.5, little bit more. I will take 7.8. It's something like 12.55 kilometer. Now let's see how we can calculate the distance between the two locations for the first row. So in first row we calculate the distance 2.7 kilometer. So the average speed of taxi is I consider 12.5 kilometer per hour. That means that if 1 hour means 3600 second, and I have to calculate the x value, so you can calculate like that x value. These all things I show you in R. First I import the data set, and this is a function of which calculate the location between the distance between two location. So I run it. So I just test just putting the argument. So this input is just nothing, is just if you see any, if I see the test data set first 10 row, I just put here the first row data like pick up longitude. You can see that minus 73.98. So I just put the first row's data in the earth dist function, and I want to calculate for every row. So what I do, I am using here mutate function. So I just run it. Then I am using here mutate function, and I am creating a new column trip duration, and I divided by 12.5. So these things I discussed in the slide. So I just run it. What I need, just trip duration column. So I created in the testing dataset. Now I able to submit this information to the Kaggle. So what I am doing now, I just creating a data frame and column ID and trip duration, and I put the ID column of testing dataset what I need and the trip duration data which I recently created. So why I am these things writing like test ID and test trip duration? To understand this, you have to see the sample submission file of the Kaggle website. I just show you. This is the sample submission dataset, and you need to create a ID column and the trip duration. So that's why I am writing here test ID and test trip duration. Now I submit this data frame submission in the file kaggle.csv name. So I just control enter. If you can see kaggle.csv file is created. Now I submit this file in the Kaggle website. Come here in Kaggle website, and this is the competition. Click here late submission button, and this click here, and these same things I made in this same thing I made a video in Hindi language. You can see that how I submit the file in the Kaggle website, and I got a score here 0.686 without using any machine learning algorithm. In Kaggle, basically what happens that data is static, means constant. So as we spend time on it, we getting better at the prediction. But in real life, what happens that data is continuously changing. So predicting the data is becoming difficult. To improve the prediction, what we can do, we just use the another information like 9th avenues, 59 street and 35 street, the average speed of taxi become 4.9 per miles per hour. So this information you can use to improve your prediction, and I will show you in the end. Thank you to see my videos.